And we're back with another episode of Breakdown Sim. And this episode we're going to be doing the reverse coffee grinder. My last episode was the coffee grinder. So, that's the introduction. I'm going to do it all the time for my videos now. So I like it. And it's a snappy start. So last episode was the coffee grinder. And now we're going to do the reverse coffee grinder. Sorry I'm talking so fast. I don't know why. It's come up in a habit because I'm talking fast at the start. So, normal coffee grinder would go forwards, wouldn't it? Go forwards. This coffee grinder, don't laugh at me because I'm not that good, but I'm going to do it once or twice. This coffee grinder is going to swing to the back, and as you swing to the back, it's just the same. So you got to hold, you got to go 1, just like the other one, 2, 3. This thing has to go all the way around, so it goes 1, 2, 3. Once again, and then we'll go on to the second one. 1, 2, 3. You might start moving on this. It's hard because I haven't got much of a space and the camera's small, so I can't show like big way. So one more time and then we'll do the two steps. And 2 steps, not 3. So it goes like 1, 2, 3. And remember, this is all continuous, so it's doing 2 steps. So you go 1, 2. You go 1, 2. Go 1, 2, 1, 2. So that was the 2 steps of it. Let's do the 1 step now. This is hard. This is a hard move. Don't have much space, and not that good. So yeah, let's go into it. So the 1 step is just gonna go 1 all the way around. So you're gonna go 1, swipe 1, 1, 1. So you can do that more times if you want. You can do 1, 2, 4. How many you want? Yeah. Let's do it 2 times now because I'm not going, as I said before, so you can go. Swipe. Yeah? Now 3 times. So you can go swipe, swipe, swipe. And guys, that was the reverse coffee grinder. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you do, you'll be a legend, but I'll do more videos in the future. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video with the 6th step. See you in my next video. Bye.